to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. To find the ideal investors for your VC fund, consider the following. Value proposition. What is the value proposition of the fund? Answering this question will narrow the field of investors dramatically. What is the solution your fund offers? This could be funding women-led businesses, startups using the latest technology, or other. What community do you have? Investors that fit your fund are looking to join a like-minded community. Return expectations. The fund return will determine which type of investor will consider it. Competitive advantage. What advantage does your fund have over other funds in the space? Uniqueness. Does your fund stand out or does it get lost in the crowd of many others? Consider how to communicate these characteristics of your fund to prospective investors and use this criteria to guide your search for limited partners for your VC fund. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us with today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.